Hello and welcome to Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button. Also give us a like. If you want to see all these cool trucks and Jeeps just like we're doing right here, make sure you do that so you can be assured to see all of our new arrivals. Also, if you want to see all the still pictures of this vehicle and a full description, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. Today we have a brand new arrival, Delmonico Red, Ram 1500, crew cab, sent it down to Rocky Ridge, had a 6-inch lift kit put on it, 22-inch rims, upgraded tires, and a bunch more. Starting on the front, you're going to notice we are standing up. It's sitting up really good in the air, which makes it stand very good. It's a very stout vehicle. It's got an awesome front grille with that Ram Chrome logo in it. Front monitoring systems located all the way across the front bumper. And probably one of my favorite parts, these 22-inch fuel reels wrapped in a really nice Mickey Thompson Baja Boss tire. What a great combo. That's a 35-inch tire, so it definitely puts it up in the air with them 22s. But no worries there, because we got an Amp Research power running board located right there. Comes down 2 inches lower than the factory one, so that will definitely help you when getting in and out of that vehicle. And as you can see, it folds away nicely. You don't even know it's there. Off-road package, as you can see there. It does have a foot pedestal here. You can push down on it. When pushing down on it, you can stand up on there so you can get in your bed easier. Rear monitoring system, which are those circles running along the back bumper. Blacked out tips, dual exhaust, as you can see there. Trailer tow package, 4 and 7-pin wiring hookup, and you also have your factory backup camera located in the back of the tailgate. Spray and bed liner, which is another really nice feature to have. You also do have the rail system in that bed. This vehicle comes with a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty. It also has extended coverage on the powertrain, and most importantly, guys, everything Rocky Ridge has done to this vehicle mirrors the factory warranty. So whatever the factory warranty is, Rocky Ridge honors all of their products up till your factory warranty expires. So no need to worry about getting stuff covered if something may break, which is a rare occasion. Rocky Ridge has you covered. There we go, look at that power board. Power step-up bars, makes it really nice getting in and out of these things. Side mirrors are all power right here, power windows and power locks. Automatic overhead headlighting, as you can see there. Very nice leather wrapped seating, which is an upgrade with the leather Rocky Ridge logo in the back headrest. Power seat, with a 4-way power lumbar. Power foot pedestals, so you can adjust them if need be. Inside of this vehicle, we do have on the left-hand side these buttons here. Operate your instrument cluster located right here. Shows you everything from how fast you're going to your trip information, your miles per gallon, all the inner workings of your vehicle while it's running, as far as your temperatures, your coolants, everything's located in that system. Hands-free capability located right here, so you can program your phone directly into this radio. You no longer have to worry about reaching for your phone while driving down the road. You simply hit the phone button, carry on the conversation directly through your speaker system. On the right-hand side of the steering wheel, we have all your cruise control settings. And then on the back-hand side, we do have the option of increasing and decreasing the volume of the radio and also changing your radio station. Everything on this vehicle is push button. Simply right here, you simply push button start and push button stop. This vehicle does have remote control, or you can remotely start your vehicle from outside the vehicle from the fob right there. Everything's turnkey, as you can see. There's a 4-wheel drive system here. It's all push button. Simply put your vehicle in reverse. There's your backup camera located right there in your radio. Speaking of this radio, very nice radio, very large radio, largest one in our segment, 12-inch touchscreen radio with a bunch of options on it. AM, FM, Sirius XM radio also. You do have controls, under your control setting, you have a heated seat with a high, medium, and low setting, and also a heated steering wheel. Dual climate controls on this, so you can set the driver on one temperature and then the passenger on another temperature if you'd like. There's also an auto feature where you can hit the auto button and it'll keep the interior cab at your desired temperature. A bunch of universal apps are built in there. One of the best ones, in my opinion, is the Sirius XM Travel Link, which is going to help you when traveling with weather and traffic. Factory navigation, which is probably the leading in the industry, if you ask me, when it comes to New vehicles, Ram definitely stepped it up with their navigation system in these new vehicles. Factory brake control, all your tow haul buttons and all your rear and front park assist buttons are located right here. Very large center console. This is a bucket seat truck, so you do have your center console with storage up front. You do have an AC plug down there, cell phone holders right there, cup holders, more storage right here, small cubby hole right there with a USB plug, and then underneath that one you got another large one underneath there. Universal garage door openers located right above the driver's seat. Plenty of little storage units, bins over here. You got your, up there's a storage spot, and you have your normal glove box located underneath that. Another thing I did not mention, it does have the upgraded floor mats. These are a rubber floor mat from Ram. Makes it nice when if you're in that bad weather, you simply rip them out, spray them off, and you're good to go. Everything else is clean. AC plug in the rear, also have USB plugs in the rear. Leather seating in the back, just like the front. Plenty of room in the back seat for your back seat passengers, so no worries when it comes to them tall people. You have plenty of room. I'm a 6 foot tall guy and I can sit back there very comfortably. Like I said, guys, very hard vehicle to find. We are one of the leading Rocky Ridge dealers in the country. We carry over 30 Rocky Ridge and lifted vehicles in stock at all times. This is a 2020 Ram 1500 crew cab. Sent it down to Rocky Ridge, had a bunch of options. It's the K2 package is what package we put on this. 6-inch lift, 22-inch tires, 22-inch rims, 35-inch tires, power boards, leather seat upgraded. It's got 12-inch touchscreen radio, navigation, you name it, it's got it. This vehicle is located at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button, give us a like. Also, if you want to see all the still pictures of this vehicle, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. For the guaranteed best price on any new or pre-owned lifted truck or vehicle, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com.